Could Bitcoin be on the verge of a 20% rally? A surprising dollar warning fuels the debate. The cryptocurrency world is buzzing with anticipation as Bitcoin's price chart hints at a potential breakout. But here's where it gets intriguing. If this pattern holds, we could see a 20% surge in BTC, pushing it toward the $113,000 mark, a level tied to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. And this is the part most people miss. In an extended rally, Bitcoin might even challenge the $123,700 region, close to the 0.786 Fibonacci line. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's backed by technical analysis and a surprising macro factor. A dollar crash on the horizon? This bullish Bitcoin setup aligns with a bold prediction from RBC Capital Markets. The US dollar could be headed for a dot-com-like crash. RBC's chief FX strategist, Richard Cochinos, warns that the dollar's recent strength, driven by global investment in U.S. equities and passive funds, might not last. In fact, he suggests it could unravel as quickly as it materialized, echoing the collapse seen after the 2000 internet bubble. This concentration worked well in the past 15 years, but poses risks in the current environment, Cochinos notes. But here's where it gets controversial. If the dollar falters, could Bitcoin emerge as a hedge, or will it get caught in the crossfire of a broader market correction? The macro tailwind for Bitcoin. The technical breakout scenario for Bitcoin gains extra weight when paired with this potential dollar downer. Historically, a weaker dollar has often benefited alternative assets, and Bitcoin could stand to gain if investors seek refuge from fiat currency volatility. However, this isn't a one-size-fits-all narrative. Critics argue that Bitcoin's correlation with risk assets could still expose it to broader market downturns. So, the question remains, is this the perfect storm for Bitcoin, or is the market setting up for a surprise twist? What do you think? As we watch these developments unfold, one thing is clear. The intersection of technical analysis and macroeconomics is creating a fascinating narrative for Bitcoin. But is a 20% rally truly on the horizon, or are we reading too much into the tea leaves? And more importantly, how would a dollar crash reshape the cryptocurrency landscape? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a debate.